Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ada Chinny. I am so excited to officially announce to you guys that I am now a Dossier Brand Ambassador. So over the next few months, I'll be reviewing to you guys some incredible fragrance from Dossier, and of course I'll be sharing my honest review or opinions with you all. For those of you who doesn't know, Dossier creates high quality, affordable alternative to luxury perfume. And guess what? My favorite part is that everything is cruelty-free, and which is so important to me, and of course to all my families, which are my fans. I just received this beautiful package and I can't wait to show you guys what's inside.
Here is the full lineup that I'll be exploring with you over the next few months. The first one is Ambery Cherry. It's sweet, warm and cozy. The second one is Ambery Saffron. It's bold and luxury. The third one is Citrus Green Apple. It's fresh and zesty. The fourth one is Fruity Brown Sugar. It's sweet and cozy. The fifth one is Fruity Honey. This one is soft, playful and light. The sixth one is Gourmand White Flower. It's elegant floral with a touch of vanilla. So the last one is Spicy Orchid. It's bold, dark and statement making.
So I'm going to test all this fragrance in the next few days, and I can't wait to share with you guys my honest review. So each month I will create a full video review for you guys, so you will know exactly which ones I love, and of course which ones I recommend, and again the occasions they are perfect for. If you love affordable, luxury, cruelty-free fragrance and honest review from me, you know what I'm trying to say? Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any series of these perfumes. Thank you so much for sharing my joy with me, and also for joining me in this exciting journey with Dossier. And I can't wait to share my lovely reviews with you guys. Stay tuned for the next full video review in this month, where we will dive into fresh and fruity scents that are perfect for everyday use. Thank you guys once again, and remain blessed. Bye guys.